All right, time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2024 Ford Mustang. And believe it or not, this is only the 7th generation Ford Mustang.
Oh, wow.
Did you know that?
Did not know.
And the reason that we bring it up is because it is all new for 2024. So that's why we call it the 7th generation. What's changed on it? If you walked up and you put a 2023 next to a 2024, chances are you're not going to, if you're not a Ford Mustang guy, you're not going to really know the difference. The only thing that is carryover are the A-pillars and the roof panel. That's it. Everything else is
not
new.
longer? I thought it was
it's
longer.
Not, just itty-bitty tiny and wider itty-bitty tiny is not even enough to talk about. So the 7th generation Ford Mustang comes in the EcoBoost Premium, the GT Premium, and the Dark Horse. Now, I've already driven the Dark Horse and had that review. You can find that in a past show. Today, we're going to review the GT Convertible Premium. Now, this is considered a 4-passenger sports car, according to your government.
Okay.
I wouldn't call it that. I'd call it a Mustang. Okay. It seats 4 people, clearly. All new for 24. New body with slightly edgier lines and creases on it. Big 2-part grille with a forward-reaching hood vent on it. Great-looking wheels on all of the trim levels, especially when you get to the GT. Squinty front and rear taillights. 4-banger has more conservative front fascia on it. And listen, when I say it's got a 4-banger in it, not the GT, clearly. This is the entry level. The 4-banger, don't be snarling your lips and going, I ain't mine now, 4-banger. It's got over 300 horsepower. Listen, I've had a Corvette back in my past that had 185 horsepower with the L82 from the factory.
And you were grooving on it back then.
And it was the Corvette. This was the sports car, the hot rod.
What I liked about it, the overall look gets an A+ rating in my book. What could use improvement? Nothing. Don't touch it. Looks great, and I love the choices.
I like it too, yeah.
Interior highlights, all new with a large sweeping screen across the top of the dash, including the instrument panel and the infotainment system. Layered dash is attractive and functional, comfortable, body-hugging seats on it. By the way, it also has a Recaro option if you want to do that. Consolidated steering wheel mounted control buttons, and not so many anymore, which is good. Cargo, trunk room. Well, it's got a small opening, but get this, the convertible does not intrude into the trunk. And the way that the convertible works, the front part of the convertible top, which would be up there toward your head, it actually makes the cover
for the tonneau.
over the tonneau cover, if you want to call it that. The boot.
There you go.
Yeah, it's the boot on the convertible. And it is really cool the way it works. There's no getting out, having to snap things down, none of that stuff. Comfortable body-hugging seats. I said that already. What I liked about it, the Recaro seat option I thought was pretty cool. What could use an improvement? No room in the back seat. How about a package tray option?
Oh, there you go.
Just a thought.
Or a pass-through to the trunk.
I probably got that. I don't know. I didn't get that far. 5-liter V8 engine, 450 horsepower, 486 pound-feet of torque. This one had a 10-speed automatic transmission. By the way, 6-speed manual is available. Yeah, baby. Miles per gallon rated 14 in the city, 23 on the highway for combined to 17. I got 18 over 262 miles. What I liked about it, acceleration and braking is superb on such a heavy car. What could use improvement? Nothing. Engine options are great. 4-cylinder EcoBoost to the big power, big boosted V8 in the Dark Horse. Ride and handling, comfortable yet sporty. What could use improvement? Don't touch it. Base price on this convertible, $49,075. Prices tested, estimated with the options, and I'm not going to go over the option list, but it was loaded up, $58,000. Base model price, you want to get into 4-cylinder Mustang, $30,920. Competitors include the Dodge Challenger, the 23 model, because they don't make it anymore. If you can find one, $31,100 is where it starts. Chevy Camaro, again, if you can find one, $30,900. And the current Nissan Z goes for $42,310. Love the 24 Ford Mustang GT Convertible, and thanks to the people at Ford for letting me have a chance to drive it. In-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is on the air, and we appreciate you being with us this morning, and we thank you very much. We'll be back with more of the show after these messages.